Today guys, I show you how to make any video to HD or 4K. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. All you need to do, just open this website freeconverter.com. The same way is on your phone. After you open this website, you will see here choose files. Max file is 1 gig. Go choose files, or you can drop this like me. Drop your files here and you will see this output. You can choose here movie, 3G, AVI or MP4. Choose MP4, go on this gear. You can change here video frame rate, resize video, rotate video, flip video and video codec. Just set what you need and go apply settings. After that, go convert and make your video to HD or 4K. Just wait for this. After you do this, you will see MP4 and 60 FPS. Go here download, save your video, and that's it all guys, how to make any video to HD or 4K. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.